Muslim women are wearing a hijab from a very long time, till I think even they can remember. We've been seeing women wearing hijab and aspiring in every field possible now. And I absolutely don't understand the point that why has it become a matter of concern since 2 months? Absolutely. Okay, it obviously goes on to show that yes, there is some hidden motive behind them, that why they have targeted Muslim women with wearing the hijab. And if we see about the veil, hijab is nothing but veil in Indian context. If we say in Indian culture, we can see that hijab has been donned by various goddesses, Sita Devi to even Mother Mary has been donned the hijab. So there has absolutely been no question. Why is it a matter of concern if a Muslim woman wears it because that's her right? Why should it be a matter of concern to anybody? Absolutely. I really suggest these politicians to read up the Constitution. The Constitution clearly states that there should not be any discrimination done on basis of caste, religion or creed. That you should not discriminate anybody if they want to wear a hijab, a turban, a crucifix or anything, absolutely. And I feel the BJP spokesperson who are continuously going on record and saying they should go back to Pakistan, if they want to attain this or that. I feel they are more like, the spokesperson or the brand ambassadors of Pakistan, promoting Pakistan every now and then and saying that, you want to go somewhere, go to Pakistan, that's the best place for you. This is my country. This is a secular country that I truly believe in, and I live in it with pride, and this is a choice that I made to live here, and nobody should tell me where I should be living and attaining my right. These girls are standing up for their right without any backup. It absolutely gives me immense pride that I can be associated with such a movement where girls of 17 or 18 years old are standing up for their right themselves without any backup. But whereas these kids who are going on record and saying that we are wearing saffron scarves today and we have a lot of backup of the Bajrang Dal and all the various Sangh Parivars, and this is just a trailer for you all. You can see what will happen in the future. So this clearly shows on to see who is working on communal basis and who is fighting for their fundamental rights. And I think this is a high wake up call for every individual of our country to wake up from the slumber that they have been put into and see the reality.